Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript ES6 tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Handle a rejected promise with catch. So when we're making call functions to the server, sometimes there's other people's servers may be a problem. And this is why we have a reject, because it might not work as you plan because you're working with other people's servers. So we have a .catch, and this happens when there's a reject. So you just do the name of the promise.catch, and an error is passed through from the reject, and you can do whatever you want with it. Usually console log it. So we want to add the catch method to your promise. So we have it a dot then, and then we'll also have a dot catch too. Copy this. Dot catch for success. This is a resolve, and this is a catch. And it has an error. And then we can just console log error. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.